Are you an NRI with dreams of saving and investing as much as possible? Most expats try to achieve financial security through smart investments, but how many are truly satisfied with their returns? In today's NRI Special episode, we will explore how safe and easy it is to invest in Indian mutual funds using your NRE and NRO bank accounts. But that's not all. As always, we will provide you with a wealth creation formula and simple financial code to guide you for express financial freedom. Join us as we dive into the world of Indian mutual funds and uncover important facts that every NRI should know. Hi folks, I am your host Jitendra Shrivastav. Since the last 20 years, we are a team of independent certified financial planners and strategists for wealth creation based in Dubai, UAE. This channel is part of our mission to promote basic financial literacy for every individual at no cost. Let's talk about today's topic, which is Indian mutual funds. Part 1, Safety with Legal and Regulatory Framework. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, which is a government entity, has been regulating mutual funds since 1996 to protect investors and ensure the effective functioning of mutual funds companies. The Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, also plays a significant role in managing this sector. The legal structure of mutual fund involves various roles such as the Asset Management Company AMC, sponsorer, trustee, custodian, compliance, fund management, auditors and distributors. This structure ensures that investing in Indian mutual funds is safe and protected by the government. There are over 35 AMCs and 27 top distributor companies which handle more than 3,400 mutual fund schemes in India. Simply put, the AMC manufactures the mutual fund schemes, while the distributor company is a platform where investors come to buy mutual funds. Part 2, Simplicity. How easy is it for an NRI to invest in Indian mutual funds from their NRE and NRO bank accounts? Follow these 7 simple steps. First step, decide whether you want to invest from your NRE or NRO bank account or both. Second step, speak with your financial advisor and enroll with a e-wealth platform of a reliable distributor company. Third, complete the SEBI mandated CKYC and documentation. On the fourth step, it will link your NRE or NRO bank account with e-wealth and now complete the bank mandate. Fifth, you will get authorization to buy and sell Indian mutual funds online. Step 6, plan a robust investment strategy with your expert financial advisor, taking into consideration your risk profile, financial goals, and duration of investment for each goal. Seventh and last step, start investing in Indian mutual funds and take advantage of wealth creation. Here, I would like to mention that we also assist our NRI clients in investing in Indian mutual funds. We are affiliated with India's largest distributor company, which has been in operation for 20 years and has a large AUM of around 2 lakh crore Indian rupees or 2 trillion INR. One of the best things is that we don't charge any fees for this service. That means our clients can invest 100% of their amount directly into mutual funds. Moreover, our online platform and mobile apps allow clients to easily track their investments using a phone, laptop or tablet. Now it's time to share with you a smart investment formula. In this section, we discuss a formula to take you to a different level of wealth creation. Introducing LMS 357, a formula designed to help you choose mutual fund schemes accurately based on market caps and your investment time horizon. L3 suggests if you are looking to invest for 3 to 5 years, invest only in large cap mutual fund schemes. M5 recommends investing in large cap and mid cap mutual funds if investment horizon is between 5 to 7 years. So avoid investing in small cap funds. S7 advises investing in all three market caps if you plan to invest for more than 7 years. By following this formula, you can avoid losses and achieve the highest possible returns. This approach helps you carefully grow your mutual fund portfolio while taking maximum advantage of all the market caps. If you have any questions or need our unbiased support, feel free to reach out to us using the contact information provided in the description box. Please note that we are available by appointment only. You can send us a direct message through email, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Quora, Twitter, and TikTok. We are here to help. Now in our segment, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. Investing in mutual funds that hold shares in well-established corporations like Reliance, Tata, or Infosys can turn your dream of being an entrepreneur into a reality, allowing you to become a co-owner while simultaneously growing your wealth. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give a thumbs up to our creative team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive new videos and explore the secret of personal finance. Also feel free to share the video link with your friends. Here are some selected videos for you to watch. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. We will see you soon.